Don't make these mistakes that could anger the seller and hurt your negotiating position. 1. Leave the entourage at home. You need to focus on the home and not on what 3 kids, Grandma and Grandpa, and Uncle George are up to. Avoid distractions like children who need to use the bathroom, Grandpa reminiscing about the first home he ever bought for $25, and Uncle George going through the seller's medicine cabinet. 2. Always assume the owner is watching and listening. Ring doorbells, nanny cams, and other security devices are everywhere. Save all comments about the home, both good and bad, for once you're back in your own car. Don't ruin your negotiating position by discussing the home while still on the property. And 3, please don't take photos or videos or use live streaming services without prior permission from the owner. Don't do anything that would make it harder for your offer to be accepted.